In this video, I will be showing you how to get Copilot in your Chrome sidebar. Let's get started. First, I click on the three vertical dots in the upper right corner of my browser window to open the menu. Then, I move down and hover over Extensions, and from the sub-menu, I click on Visit Chrome Web Store. Once the page loads, I navigate over to the search box at the top left that says Search Extensions and Themes and click inside it. I type in Copilot Sidebar and press Enter. The search results will show up, and the first option is Copilot Sidebar for Chrome from bing-sidebar.com. I click on that extension card to open its detail page. On this page, I see a blue button that says Add to Chrome. I click that button. A prompt appears asking to confirm if I want to add the extension. I click Add Extension to proceed. After a brief installation process, a new tab opens briefly, and the installation is successful. I can now open a new tab to see my regular homepage. Next, to activate the extension, I look at the top right of my browser toolbar and click on the extensions icon, which looks like a puzzle piece. In the drop-down list that appears, I click on Copilot Sidebar for Chrome. This opens a dedicated pane on the right side of my browser. The extension initializes, welcoming me and showing a text box at the bottom. I click inside the message Copilot text box at the bottom of the sidebar. I can now ask it anything. For this tutorial, I'll type out a prompt asking to explain the psychology behind why some people become highly successful while others struggle to stay consistent, and ask it to include practical lessons that can be applied today. After finishing typing, I click the black up arrow button next to the text box to send it. The extension processes the query for a brief moment, and then it generates a comprehensive, well-structured response directly inside the sidebar. I can scroll through the entire text, which includes sections on core drivers, a comparison table, and actionable advice, all accessible right alongside my browsing workspace. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.